We are making a simple and easy Southern side dish, and it's coming from a can, and I'm going to show you how to make it taste just like it was picked fresh out of the garden. I am going to be using Italian green beans today because they are my favorite, and that's what I have in my pantry, and we use what we have. This is a 38 ounce, so we're just going to put it right in our pot. Juice and all. We do not want to take out those juices. Now we have 1 can of whole potatoes, a can of whole potatoes. You can get them at Walmart. You can get them anywhere you want. You can put 2 cans in if you want, but we are just using the 1 can. A teaspoon of pepper. We want it seasoned really good. Okay, we are going to go ahead and cut. This is salt pork, just salt pork. And it's what Southern people use to season their food with. And I'm going to cut it up in just little chunks. You can put the whole salt pork in if you want the whole piece. You don't need the whole package. Salt pork will last quite a while, but I am going to put it in an airtight glass container. And we're going to cook all these juices out of it. We're going to start it off on high, and when it comes to a boil, we are going to turn it down. Our green beans are beginning to boil. Make sure we push that pork down inside. Now we're just going to turn it down to medium and keep it there. Okay, you see our green beans are cooking down here. Potatoes are cooking down. Look at that. Doesn't take very long. Now we're going to turn it down on low. Okay guys, all the juice is out of there now. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That is Southern style green beans and potatoes. Okay, our green beans have completely cooked down, and our potatoes, I'm going to show you what they look like. That fat is completely cooked. It's not greasy though. They're not greasy. And those potatoes, oh my gosh, they taste like you dug them up yourself. I'm not kidding. And you don't have to chop them. You don't have to do nothing. They've cooked down. And that's how Southern people eat their green beans. That's so good. I'm telling you, that good. Now we got to try a potato. Amazing. Absolutely. So good. Very inexpensive to make. It will be a hit at any potluck. If you're in a rush or in a hurry, you can throw this in the pot and you've got something that's spectacular.